Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Every day, thousands of domains quietly disappear on the internet. No big announcement, no warning, they just vanish from ownership. Their owners forget to renew them, some businesses shut down, and others simply have no idea how valuable those domains actually are. Now, imagine this, a domain name that cost someone just $10 years ago, which could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars today. And here's the crazy part. When they forget to renew it, that same domain becomes available again for anyone to grab at the normal registration price. That means you can literally pick up what others leave behind. And if you know what you're doing, you can turn it into profit. This is what's called domain investing. And right now, it's one of the most overlooked opportunities in the digital world. See, most people think online income means starting a YouTube channel, building a blog, or running ads. But they forget that the internet itself runs on domain names, the foundation of every online business. From small startups to billion-dollar brands, every company needs the right domain name. And that's why people are willing to pay premium prices to own the perfect one. In fact, there are stories of domains being bought for a few dollars and later sold for tens of thousands, sometimes even more. But don't get me wrong, it's not as easy as buying random names and hoping they'll sell. Just like real estate, not every plot of land is valuable. You need knowledge, research, and the right strategy to find those hidden gems that others miss. That's where the real opportunity lies, in spotting the value before anyone else does. And recently, I came across a system that claims to teach exactly that, a step-by-step strategy that helps you identify potentially profitable expired domains using data, software, and a proven process. And the system called is Profit Signal System. When I first heard about it, I was curious because, honestly, most people ignore this side of the online world. So I decided to dig deeper. Learn what this system actually offers, and see if it's really worth your time and money. So in this video, I'll break down what exactly Profit Signal is, how this system helps you find valuable expired domains, what you get inside the course, and finally, whether it's worth buying or not. And just so you know, this is not some get-rich-quick gimmick. Domain investing is a legitimate business model, but it requires patience, strategy, and knowledge. Profit Signal gives you all the tools and training, but your results will always depend on your own effort. All right? So let's jump right into it and first understand what Profit Signal actually is and how it claims to help you make money from expired domains. Okay? Profit Signal is an educational and software-based system created to help people discover valuable expired domains and turn them into profitable digital assets. It's designed for anyone who wants to get into domain investing, even if they have no prior experience. The idea is simple. Every day, thousands of domain names expire, and many of them still hold great value because of their age, backlinks, or brand potential. Profit Signal shows you how to find those hidden gems before others do. So, what makes this system stand out because of its systematic approach? Instead of buying random domain names and hoping they'll sell, Profit Signal gives you a structured process that relies on research, data, and proven analysis. It teaches you how to evaluate a domain's potential value based on real-world factors. This helps you make smart, calculated decisions rather than emotional guesses. At its core, Profit Signal is a combination of powerful tools and step-by-step training. You get access to domain analysis software that scans thousands of expired domains and highlights the ones that could be worth much more than their registration price. Along with that, the course provides in-depth video lessons where you'll learn how to analyze, purchase, and eventually resell these domains for profit. Profit Signal doesn't just teach you how to find domains, it also shows you how to sell them effectively. The training includes marketing and sales strategies for listing domains on popular marketplaces like GoDaddy Auctions, Sado, and Afternic. You'll also learn direct outreach methods to contact potential buyers, negotiate deals, and get the best possible price for your digital assets. Okay, so overall, Profit Signal is a complete roadmap for anyone who wants to enter the world of domain investing in a smart and organized way. It combines education, software, and real-life strategy to help you uncover opportunities that most people overlook. Rather than promising overnight success, it focuses on building knowledge, skill, and long-term understanding of how to turn expired domains into genuine profit. Okay? Now, before we move forward, if you want to check out the Profit Signal system for yourself, I've added the official link in the description below. You can visit it anytime after watching this video. Now, let's take a look at what you actually get once you join the Profit Signal program. Inside the members area, the first thing you'll find is the domain analysis software and tools. This is the backbone of the system. It helps you scan through thousands of expired domains and quickly identify the ones that could hold real value. Instead of manually checking domain lists, the software saves you hours of work by analyzing metrics like keyword strength, backlinks, search potential, and overall brand appeal. Next, you'll get access to the step-by-step video training course. These are easy-to-follow lessons designed especially for beginners. The training takes you from the basics and understanding how domain expiration works, all the way to advanced techniques like selecting profitable domains, registering them, and selling them on popular marketplaces. Each video is short, clear, and actionable. Then comes the domain valuation techniques. Here you'll learn how to estimate the real worth of a domain. It explains what makes one name more valuable than another based on things like keyword relevance, name length, niche demand, and market trends. By the end, you'll be able to recognize a good deal when you see one. And finally, you'll learn about marketing and sales strategies. Because once you've found a good domain, the next step is selling it effectively. Profit Signal shows you where to list your domains, how to approach potential buyers, and even how to negotiate better deals. These insights can make a big difference in how quickly and profitably you sell your domains. Okay? Now, let's talk about the real opportunity behind this system. So, what makes domain investing very interesting is that the entry cost is extremely low compared to other digital investments. You can re-register a domain for just $6 to $15, and if you pick the right ones, the profit potential is huge. Think about it. A single domain could be resold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It's all about spotting value before others do. And that's what Profit Signal trains you to do, to see digital real estate the way professional investors see physical property. But remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick game. It's a slow and smart business model that rewards patience, learning, and consistency. Not every domain will sell fast, and that's completely normal. Okay? So if you're looking for a realistic, low-cost way to get into the world of digital investing and you're willing to put in the time to learn, then domain investing through Profit Signal might actually be worth exploring. Now, let's talk about the pricing and what you actually get for your money. The Profit Signal system is currently priced at just $47, a one-time payment. There are no monthly fees or hidden subscriptions, which is something I really like because most online training programs these days keep adding hidden charges later on. If you compare it with other domain investing or online business courses, most of them charge anywhere between $200 to $500 or even more, and many don't include any actual software or tools. So, in terms of value for money, Profit Signal is easily one of the most affordable options for beginners. Then another big plus point is their 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can go through the entire program, test out the tools, and if you feel it's not a good fit for you, you can simply request a full refund within 60 days, no questions asked. So for just $47, you're basically getting a complete education on how to find, buy, and sell expired domains, plus the tools to do it with zero financial risk. Okay? All right, so here's my honest take on the Profit Signal system. If you're someone who wants to explore a low-cost online business model that doesn't rely on ads, clients, or constant content creation, then domain investing can be a very smart option. It's one of those rare opportunities where your upfront cost is small, but your profit potential is high. So, If you're curious about domain investing and want a step-by-step guide to get started, then yes, Profit Signal is worth checking out. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and comes with everything you need to start learning and experimenting. And with the 60-day refund policy, you've really got nothing to lose. So, if you want to check it out, I've added the official link in the description below. Click that link and you'll automatically be redirected to their official page, okay? So, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more reviews on digital income opportunities and online business tools. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.